Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out a powerful productivity upgrade, the 15.6-inch one-cable laptop screen extender, a portable triple-monitor solution designed for people who want a bigger workspace anywhere they go. This extender features two additional 15.6-inch full HD 1080p IPS displays, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. The IPS panel provides clear image quality and consistent brightness, making it great for work, streaming, presentations, or multitasking. One of the standout features is the single cable setup. With USB-C or USB-A connectivity, you can power and display both screens with minimal cables, making it quick and easy to turn your laptop into a triple-screen workstation in seconds. The monitor extender is designed for 13-inch to 17.3-inch laptops, and it works with multiple operating systems including Windows, macOS, and Android devices. That wide compatibility makes it ideal for professionals, students, and travelers who use different devices. Despite the larger display size, it's still ultra-slim and portable, with a foldable design that fits easily into a backpack or laptop bag. Adjustable stands and rotating screens allow you to switch between portrait, landscape, mirror, or extended modes depending on your workflow. Overall, the 15.6-inch one-cable laptop screen extender is a fantastic tool for boosting productivity. Whether you're coding, trading stocks, editing videos, or working remotely, having three screens makes multitasking faster and more efficient. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.